Hey there! Do you know that it's almost April Fool's Day? And what's really fun to do on April Fool's Day is to play tricks on somebody. But you don't have to wait for April Fool's Day. In fact, I'm going to play a trick on my family tonight. They think we are having pizza for dinner, but they're in for a big surprise because I'm going to make a cookie pizza for them. The first thing I had to do was make this giant cookie. Okay, now I need to put everything on my pretend pizza. First, I'm going to put on some sauce. And I'm just using strawberry jelly for this. I'm going to put some on. What do you think? Do you think that's good? I think that I need to have some more sauce. What do you think? I think I need to put on more. Okay. Put it all over. All right. What do you think? Think that's enough? Okay. Next, I'm going to get rid of this. I have to put on my cheese. My cheese is just chocolate. Oh, it doesn't look like it's going to pour very well. I'm going to put it back in the microwave for just a minute. I have to turn on the microwave. Okay, let's see. I have to give it a little bit of a stir. Because it got a little soupy. Okay. Just going to make it bigger. Let's see here. Okay, I give it a little bit of a stir. Now I'm going to pour on the cheese. I have to spread the cheese around. Oh my gosh, that looks like real cheese. All right, so I just finished spreading out my cheese, and now I need to get some toppings to put on the pizza. So I'm going to make some pepperoni.
Make pepperoni.
Make pepperoni first. I got some fruit roll-ups. And I'm going to unroll it. All right, I'm going to make some pepperoni. I'm going to use this circle cookie cutter and cut it out. Whoops. What do you think? You think that looks like pepperoni? I'm going to put it on my pizza. All right. I have some other pieces here that I already made before. There's one more. I put all of my pepperoni on. I think I'm going to make one more. Okay, one more piece to put on. Okay, do you like black olives on your pizza? I don't, but my family does. So I'm going to put some pretend black olives. I have to make some black olives. I'm going to use these Twizzlers. I'm going to take the Twizzler and I'm going to cut it cut it into tiny pieces. So those look like black olives. I'm going to put them on. I even had to make some extras to put on. So I'm going to put these on. Wow, those really look like black olives. All right. The last thing that I want to put on my pizza are some peppers. I'm going to make peppers out of these colorful Swedish fish. Got a green one. All I need to do is cut it in half to make some peppers. I'm going to put the peppers on my pizza. Earlier I decided to make some different colors. I had orange to put on, and I have red to put on. And let's do one more green to put on. One more green. All right. What do you think about this pizza? Doesn't it look yummy? My family is going to be so surprised. You can make this pizza too. I put the link at the bottom of this video. Have fun!